Okay, Miguel here asks, am I shadow banned? So he said, just want to ask if YouTube shadow bans channels, but I don't know why. The channel started in a true crime niche. My first channel is the motivational niche, got 0 views after 30 videos. I don't know what is happening. It's frustrating when I don't get violation, but feels like it. Can be many reasons, man. Like you could be shadow banned, but usually, very often it's just like your topic is not the greatest. And then maybe also your thumbnails and titles are not the greatest. The greatest swindler. Yeah, that's like formatted a bit weird, first of all. It's a very broad topic, it seems like. I would like, for Miguel's case, I would need the channel link and look into it a little bit deeper. I think people can get shadow banned, but only if they really like make some mistakes and fuck up a lot, or like circumvent the YouTube policies, or get their accounts blocked or their AdSense blocked. Other than that, if that did not happen, I don't think you're shadow banned, but you just gotta find some better topics for your channel and for your videos. But yeah, we can look deeper into it if you share your channel link next time.